S.N.E.E.K for like 358 miles from drop off. I'm gonna just stop at this truck stop and pick it back up in the morning about 5 or 6, man. Been driving since 7 this morning. It's about 8 back home, about 7 here. So yeah, let's get it. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. I'm here at this truck stop. Shit, I don't even think it's a truck stop. I think it's a gas station. But shit, I'm gonna go out here and use the bathroom. Yeah, I'm trying to keep warm. I'm turning the truck on and off, just stay warm. I need to figure out how to get this sucker to idle. I don't have to turn it off. It's a super duty though. In due time, these conditions. But I need to. I'm thinking about going in and building me a little mini camper to put in here for times like this, where I can just stay in a camper. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, something snowing in 4 o'clock in the morning. South Colorado. Man. This shit is hot. Yeah, I gotta get the hell up out of there in the morning. Let's get that way. Whew. Messing up, man. Drop off. Supposed to make it at 11:30 a.m. Yep. Finally made it home, man. Like the day ago, I am sleepy as hell. About to shower. This is where 6:19. I woke up at 6 something or 5 something in Colorado. Man. Drove and dropped the load off at 6. Dropped it off at 7. Then I've been driving since 6 yesterday. I'm tired as hell, man. I've done this before, but I'm trying to get back home, man, so I can enjoy my weekend and get to I got a client later on. Just man and we ain't work. Something quick, board repair. But man, I'm gonna go give me like at least 4 or 5 hours of sleep, then get that knocked out, then come back lay down. Let's get it.
It's a J RAWLS vibe.